Aloha, everybody.
Aloha.
It's Magda and Blaine, and we're here for a very, very special episode of No Fear Cooking. Because this week, and I think in some future weeks, we're going to be doing some of the tastes of Polynesia. That's right. We're going to take the ordinary and make it extraordinary. And what are we going to do today? Well, today we are going to make Hawaiian meatloaf. That's right, you all know how to make meatloaf. The same old boring blah, blah, blah that we've been making and eating for years. No more. No more.
A nice twist to it.
Wow, we're talking about a spectacular meatloaf with a great smell, with a two-step process, basically. We make the meatloaf and then we make the sauce. So, Magda, all these flavors from Polynesia, why don't you tell us all about it as you're making the meatloaf?
1.5 pounds of ground beef, half a pound of chicken ground, and I had a little bit more because that's how I found it at the store. And this is the twist. We're going to add soya sauce, 1/4 cup, right? Oh, you will have, what is the smell like at Blaine?
Oh, this is so
What
good.
do you think?
Wow.
Ginger?
I smell like I'm in Hawaii.
Oh, ginger, it's absolutely delicious in this meatloaf.
That's a minced ginger.
Minced ginger, yes.
It comes out of a tube, actually.
We're going to have 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Look at the colors already, they're mixed. We are going to add 2 eggs, only 2 eggs. And I like to a little bit beat them up so they mix better. I'm going to mix everything in a second. This is a very good pineapple.
Yep.
Crushed pineapple
around
in.
8-9 ounces of pineapple.
And I drain it. I put it a little bit earlier. If you have everything ready, it's going so fast. So measure everything. 1/2 cup of the
green onions?
No. Celery.
It's celery. Okay.
1/2 cup of minced, very nice diced onions. And also one more very good ingredient that you have to work for 5 minutes for it is the panko bread. And the panko bread, if you don't have it, don't sweat, right?
Don't
Just
worry.
like in Hawaii would be don't worry, be
That's
happy.
right.
I cooked a little bit, I browned a little bit the panko. That's how it's look when it's not cooked. See? And all this coloring took 5 minutes. So dump it all in, all done there. And now we are going to mix everything together.
That's it.
That's all. That's all is the...
You know, I know some people out there are not crazy about pineapple. But I'll tell you what, I don't taste it in this thing. It mixes in so well, and it's not that much for all the meat you have there. Oh my gosh, I can smell it already.
It smells good, doesn't it?
You know, that's the beauty of Polynesia. It's got great music, it's got great smells, great flavors, great tastes.
Great fun.
Oh my. I
hope everybody, we can all go there someday,
Oh boy, we're being transported with this. Like I say, Hawaiian meatloaf. Boy, oh boy, when you taste this, our good friend Krista Schaus was visiting a little while ago, and she had some with us, and she said, Magda, that's to die for.
Exactly.
It's a killer. It's the best thing.
And it's all mixed. Just mix it. It's everything. It's incorporated, and it's all good. Now I'm going to put it in a pan.
That's it.
And form it. And after that, I have the oven already started at 350. This is going to go for 1 hour. Dump it all in here.
Oh.
And then just form it in a nice loaf.
Oh. Look at that.
What do you think?
Well, that's much nicer than putting it into a pan because of what you're going to be doing later on.
That's right.
Oh.
You're right. 2 steps meatloaf.
2 steps. My
with
gosh.
the Hawaiian twist.
Look at that, folks. This took what? 2 minutes.
Yeah, everything. Have your little ones. I always say you give them a present if you let them to help you in the kitchen.
I don't know.
It's going in the oven for 1 hour, 350. And meanwhile, I'm going to get ready the sauce.
The second step.
I'm going to the oven and we'll come back and start the second step. I cannot have you. I have to open the oven now. 350 for 1 hour. And uncover, please. Have it, stay there. Good job. 1 hour, we'll come back while we're making the sauce. And we are back.
And we're back, that's right. Now the second step, the simple second step. Before you start, Magda, let me tell everybody, we're using ingredients that you can get at your local grocery store.
Yes,
we got them at Publix.
Yes. Yeah, Publix had them. Walmart has them.
Walmart has them.
We go there.
You go there, you get these things. So it's not like we're using foreign ingredients that you can only get at maybe an Asian food store.
Right.
You just get them at our local grocery store.
Correct.
So, and including, go ahead, Mike, start with this. It's so exciting.
I'm starting.
Ooh.
Brown sugar, just about a quarter cup.
Okay.
And the soya sauce, I'm going to put it in here.
How much is that?
A cup.
A cup.
A cup.
Okay.
1 tablespoon of ginger.
Oh, minced ginger.
I did buy it already minced. You may do your own, it's fine.
You can grate it, but I think it comes out nicer minced from this.
Orange juice, fresh orange juice, about a small one or a half orange juice.
What is that?
Cup of Miriam. It's a special rice vinegar. It's a little bit sweet, a little bit tangy. I'm not so sure how to So everything is in one bowl, just water.
Okay.
Half a cup of water. Everything is in here. And what do we do is this sauce, Blaine? Because you love it.
Well, this is a great
sauce.
sauce.
You all love it, yes.
At one point, as soon as when the meatloaf is done baking, we're going to put a little bit, around a quarter cup on top of the meatloaf and let it bake in for around 5 more minutes. And then this gets served with some green onions on top if you want that. And this on the side, and you can put in as much as you want to. Oh my God, it is so good. It's so good the minute you make it. It's so good the next day and the day after that.
Yes,
that's right.
Very good.
Leftovers,
you warm it up
great.
a little bit.
Oh my God.
Everything is ready. We just have to wait for 1 hour. And meanwhile, we are just going to clean up, which is not much. If you have everything ready, goes perfectly. 1, 2, 3, gone.
Simplest thing. Simple.
We'll come back in 1 hour. I will do my green onions meanwhile. Do you think is that for you, gourmet baby? David, stay there. Now, one very important thing for this meatloaf recipe, we are going to put about a quarter cup of the sauce for 5 more minutes in the oven. The sauce will get really nice absorbed into the meatloaf and will be great. So coming back in 5 more minutes. 5 minutes went by. The sauce that I made, it's on for 5 minutes. 5 minutes back in the oven and it's all ready to be served. I'm going to cut a slice and oh, look how nice it's here. Can you see it, dear Blaine?
Yep.
Okay. What do we need? Look how nice it's looking here.
I cut another slice so the folks can see it.
Yeah, you can cut
it. All you can see is the edge that way.
As big as you want to or small.
There you go. That's
you can leave
wow,
it to
look at
rest
that.
a minute.
Look how nicely that looks.
What else do we need now?
Well, you need to put a little sauce if you want. As much as you want. We have it on the side. You want a little sauce on it? Yeah. Oh my, that's good. And if you want, you can put some green onions on top of that too. Just a few,
yes.
Not a many. Okay. Whoa, that's a lot. And you know, and there you are. There you have it. Hawaiian meatloaf.
We can taste it.
You will not believe the difference that this makes, the ingredients and everything else. It is just wonderful. And
I'm having a little bit.
Okay, you have some, I'll have some. He, she, it will have some. Okay. That's really good.
Heavenly. Very good.
As I said, folks, we're going to do a lot of the flavors of Polynesia in the upcoming months. So it's a summertime feeling and a flavor.
Summertime is good. Have a vegetable with that. And then the rest is going to be perfect for your family guests. You saw how quick and easy? And you have most of the ingredients. I always have extra chicken that is ground and beef in the freezer. Take it out and start. What do we say, Blaine?
I say aloha. Aloha, love you, brother, okay? Manja manja from No Fear Cooking.
Puff the Buna. We'll see you next time with a new recipe. Please subscribe, send a note to us, and We'll see you next week.